Okay, let's talk about one of today's most popular fencing solutions for modern properties.
If you need that perfect mix of style and function for your home, you're gonna want to see this.
So it uses these strong vertical blades instead of regular pickets. The look is really bold and architectural.
But why is it so perfect for Melbourne properties? Let's break down the key benefits.
First up, security. A blade fence is a really tough barrier for your property. That vertical design is basically anti-climb. It's a huge deterrent, giving you some serious peace of mind. All right, benefit number 2. It just looks fantastic. Super modern.
Those sleek, minimalist lines boost your curb appeal and just perfectly complement modern homes. A great look.
Next up, privacy. And here's the cool part. Unlike a solid wall, you're totally in control.
Right? You can adjust the spacing, so you decide how much you see and how much others see.
Okay, but how does it hold up, especially with Melbourne's crazy weather? Let's talk durability.
Yeah, we're talking a long time. Aluminum blade fences can last over 20, even 30 years, no rust.
And here's what a real homeowner had to say. It can completely transform a space for sure. All right, so how can you make a blade fence fit your property perfectly? Let's get into the options.
You've got two main choices, aluminum or steel. Each one has its own pros depending on what you need.
And you can customize pretty much everything else too. Height, color, even add matching automatic gates. Okay, so what does the actual installation look like? It's a pretty straightforward process, professionally done.
Pros will handle it all, from site assessment and permits right through to that perfect final alignment.
And you know what? It's fast. For a typical home, it's usually done in just a day or two.
So when you think about it, with its blend of security, style, and custom options, is it the right choice for you?